Oh, hey, Paul. Oh, hey, baby girl. So I've been doing a lot of thinking lately, that I have a lot of projects going on and that I need to chill out quite a bit. You guys haven't seen me in a long time. We're seeing the cars, but there's been a lot that's been going on. So I guess we'll just kind of recap everything that's gone on. I guess we'll just kind of start at the beginning. So my daughter and I took the weekend and installed the coilovers on all four. We took it for a ride and then realized that we were going to die from the fumes, from the downpipe. So here we have the downpipe. As you can see, it just kind of dumped right down. So when you're driving, it just got blown right into the cabin. It was just a terrible, horrible situation. So I ended up buying a new downpipe. That's what we have here. Worked for a couple days trying to get that on, which shouldn't have been that long. It kept hitting my transmission and it would not clear. So the manifold I was using was old, cheap, rusty, and I really like the log style that I'm using on the Integra, so I figured I would pick one of those up. Got that on with the old turbo and no dice. So after taking some time off thinking about it, I realized that the first turbo, the old Civic turbo, was a different size than this turbo. So I installed a new turbo onto the new log manifold, ordered a brand new gasket set for both turbo drain and feed. That should be here today to finish everything off, and got everything appropriately clocked and ready to put back on. So hopefully the downpipe fits after this. If not, then I'm going to put the old downpipe back on and take it to an exhaust shop.